Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can block absolutely all applications on your Android. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and write comments after watching the video. So friends, let's get to our topic. First of all, you will need to open the Play Store on your Android. Once you open it, you will need to type the name App Lock into the search box and search. Next, you will find the AppLock Pro program and click Download. This process of downloading the AppLock Pro program will literally take a few seconds. And yes, in order for you to be able to lock all your apps without problems, you will need to save this program, because otherwise it unfortunately cannot be done. So, once you have the program downloaded, you click Open. Next, you will need to select the password you would like to set in this part. For example, a 4-digit password, a 6-digit password, or a picture password. Whatever you want, you choose. I will choose a 4-digit PIN, and then you will have to enter the PIN twice. And then confirm all the actions. And the next step tells us to turn on AppLock Pro. So we turn it on. And then you need to click Permit here. And then once again give permission to AppLock Pro. Okay. Permit. Allow. And that's it. Now you are done with the settings of this application. Next, you can see that there are two sections. These are blocked applications and those that are still unblocked. If we go to the blocked apps, we can see that by default the apps that are blocked are those that are linked to Google account, as well as some social networks like Instagram or Telegram. So if you say you want to go to Instagram, or one of your friends or family members does, you'll see you'll have to have a password first. And only then you can go to Instagram. That's how it works with everything. In order to go to the block app, you have to drive the password always. If you want some app to unlock, then you just need to tap on the lock sign. As you can see, this app is instantly removed from this list and goes to the unlocked list. And the same thing, if you want to reverse lock some app, then you tap on the gray lock sign next to the app, and instantly the app is now locked in reverse. This is the way you will be able to lock some apps on your Android device. I hope this video helped you and was useful for you. Please put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.